A Patek Philippe Nautilus. This is going to be a ladies' watch coming in at 35.2 millimeters. The stock number for this watch is going to be 36381 if you'd like to come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com. It is an automatic movement. You'll notice that it does have the fully rotating rotor in the back. It is an exhibition case back, so you can see what is going on inside the movement. Of course, it's a stainless steel watch with a 56 count diamond bezel. Of course, those are all going to be Patek Philippe factory diamonds. You'll notice a date window down here at the 6 o'clock position. All of these, white tipped hour markers in the hands are going to be luminous, so you do get the glow in the dark feature. So if you're out late at night, you will be able to still see what time it is. Of course, my favorite feature of this watch, aside from the diamonds and the extra, kind of splash it gives it, is going to be this dial. It almost has like a wave-like finish to it. It is known as a silver dial. And if you look really closely, the parts that kind of go up, they're slightly raised, but they've got a nice brush finish to it. Come check it out before it's gone.